Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Taking out the Python, Team Ralley Python for a little test run. Not a test run, but it's another speed run. We're gonna try braking. I think, what do we have, 98? I think that was my PB on this one yet. So we're going to try for that. It's 6S battery in it, 35 tooth speed spool from SpeedTek RC. Go to speedtekrc.com. Use Kurt's RCs to get 10% off. You get all gears, tons of gears, guys. Spools for the Maverick. HPI maverickquantumrflux for all the Team Rallies, all the arrmas. He's even got the version 2 Pinocchio spool for the V2 limitless. So track, start, stop, read, 2 miles an hour. Track, start, stop, read. It's cleared. Not sure if you guys can read that, but it's tracking. There's a kid driving around out here, so hopefully we can get in here and do this. I'm gonna try a little farther distance this time. I should probably even go a little farther, but all right, guys, let's see what she got. Shit. Huh. Yeah, I figured I hit the curb hard on that one, guys. Pretty sure I broke some stuff. Let's see what we did here. So, just a pivot ball came out. Okay, that's good. That's definitely fixable. Have to take it home and fix it, but see if anything else is broke. I know it hit the curb pretty hard. And we got bushes inside. Oh, GPS is still in here. Let's see what it says. Stop, read, 94. Yeah, we got on it too late. It was way past me before we got onto it, and all of a sudden it cut out and I lost signal. So, or not signal, I just lost power. The brakes, I need to turn the brakes up a little bit. I don't have enough room to let it roll out, because it's a cross street right here. So all right, I didn't bring my tools, of course, so we're gonna call this a fail. Yeah, this was I don't know why I didn't bring my tools. I always do, but so I can't even fix that pivot ball. So there you go, guys. 94 miles an hour. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a good day. All right, guys, got back to the house, looking over everything. Of course, that pivot ball popped off, but if you can look in there, you can see the drive shaft in the back is bent pretty good. I don't see anything else bent. I'm not sure if the chassis is supposed to be that bent up in the front. I'll have to try to look into that. And that's a pretty good size gap. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm thinking it might be bent myself, but I know they're supposed to be bent up a little bit in the front. But yeah, it's pretty bad right in there. So might have to take it off and pound it down with a hammer. I'll have to look into that and see how bad it's supposed to be like that or not, because that's the only way I can see how that buckled back here. Is it shoved everything back when I hit the curb. But I mean, nothing else looks bad. Everything else looks like it's still in there. The braces are still in there. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'll have to start taking it apart, figure it out. So there you go, guys. Just a little recap at the end on what happened to it. So it's gonna be down for a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you guys can see what's going on. Thanks.